a 3D printed shoe rack, which is infinite. It was designed in Onsel, which is running on FreeCAD. And it was printed this way, with a brim. Let's take a look in more detail. You see 3 units in a row here. One side has a hole, and the other side has a bulge that falls into the hole. Want to help increasing this number? Thanks! You can easily disconnect the units, and it can also be snapped back together very quickly. Let's put a pair of shoes on it again. The shoes are standing quite stable on the rack. Get commercial access to all my 3D files here to sell 3D prints. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.